viewers, and welcome back to my another video. In that SSMS video means SQL Server Management Studio, we are going to making in insert, where, and anything. So let's get started beginning our journey to open our SQL Server Management Studio. So firstly, we need to open our SSMS in our desktop, and then here is our data we created into part 2. I pasted here in the data in another day. So you see that data, this table we created into the SSMS part 2 video, and this is the part 3 video. We see that table and make the answer option. So firstly, we use that high database. Use high this, and then insert into bracket firstly ID, role, comma, and then class, student name, date of student. Class, student name, date of student. When it's done, bracket it in that here, enter it, values, what value we should give, ID 1, comma, role is 12, 24, 10, 12, no 1, comma, another class 6, comma, student name Rajiv, comma, okay, I mistaked, comma, and another date of student 2024, this hyphen 01, 12 months, 12 months, not 12 date. And when it's done, comma 8 in that here, enter it. Now this, the value is count, copy it here and come to here and paste it. Now when it's done, this data means the data is ended, okay, comma 8. The data is ended of our value. Now 2, 7, Shima. And then 2002. Okay, when it's done now, this go option we said not, select function we use. So select star from students of students. Okay, now the data is also good. Students, this is our students function. Now the student function is now done, and now we are going to select the data into here and execute it. And this is our data. Firstly, we insert the data, all of everything. Now 2 rows affected, and now execute it. Now you are seeing that here, student name Rajiv Shima, date of student 2024 1/12. This is the date, and this is the role and ID and 1/2. This is the default. This is the result. How to make the insert, how to use that insert into functions. So now we are going to seeing that where functions, enter it in here, and where we see what? Class, is equals to 1. Select it here. This. Execute it. Now okay. Okay, if that var function not work, class this 1. Okay, the var function is not working. So guys, in that part 4 video, we are going to knowing that what is the var function and how can we use that var function in that SSMS. So this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. Assalamu alaikum.